हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री बाय विश। और आज हम पढ़ेंगे अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन एंड मैकेनिज्म। So what is aldol condensation reaction? So when two moles of an aldehyde or ketone reacts together, that is a self condensation reaction in presence of a dilute base, that is generally we use dilute NaOH as a base, we get beta hydroxyaldehyde as a product. Okay, so this is called as an aldol reaction, and then this beta hydroxyaldehyde is further reacted, or when we applied heat to that reaction, we get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde as a product. So why this reaction is called as an aldol condensation reaction? So because when similar aldehyde or ketone reacts together, we get beta hydroxyaldehyde. So alcohol is formed along with aldehyde or ketone group. So that's why for alcohol we use OL, and for aldehyde we use ALD. So combinedly called as an aldol. So beta hydroxyaldehyde is called as an aldol. So this is overall called as aldol condensation reaction. So aldol condensation reaction में कोई भी aldehyde self condense होता है in presence of a base, so we get a product. और अगर हम ketone भी लेंगे, same ketone with two moles react together in presence of a base, we get beta hydroxy ketone as a product, which is further on heating gives alpha beta unsaturated ketone as a product. So what is the mechanism behind this reaction? So mechanism बहुत ही simple है, one by one हम देखेंगे. So first step in mechanism, that is a formation of enolate ion. So how this enolate ion get formed? So when base reacts with 1 mole of an aldehyde, so this aldehyde has alpha carbon atom which has an alpha hydrogen atom. So ये base क्या करता है? This base attacks on this hydrogen atom and abstract that alpha hydrogen atom, and this bond migrates towards this carbon. So we get, by removal of a water molecule, we get carbanion as a product. So this carbanion is resonance stabilized by donating this bond between this carbon atom, and this bond migrates towards this oxygen atom, or this bond migrates towards this oxygen atom as an electron. So by resonance we get enolate ion as a product. So carbanion क्या करता है? Stabilize होने के लिए by resonance convert होता है, that is in enolate ion. So in means double bond and olate means O minus, that is oxyanion. So combinedly we called that is a enolate ion. So first step में क्या होता है? Base attack करते हैं अल्फा का हाइड्रोजन एटम पे and convert that overall aldehyde into a carbanion, which is resonance stabilized by enolate ion. So this is in a first step. Then second step में क्या रहता है? That this enolate ion or carbanion, this act as a nucleophile and it directly attacks on the carbon atom of an aldehyde, because this carbon is partially positively charged and this oxygen is partially negatively charged. So this can act as a nucleophile जो directly attack करता है carbonyl carbon पे, because this carbonyl carbon is positively charged. Okay, and due to that attack a bond formation takes place, and due to that bond formation carbon की valency change हो जाती है and this bond migrates towards this oxygen. So we get this type of a product that is called as an oxyanion. So why this compound is called as an oxyanion? Because oxygen contain a negatively charged species or negative charge, that's why oxyanion. So oxygen contain negative charge, that's why it is called as an oxyanion, which is further abstract a proton that is abstracted by the base. ये O माइनस क्या करता है? जो बेस ने हाइड्रोजन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट किया है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम, ओके, दैट फ्रॉम अल्फा कार्बन एटम, ये डायरेक्टली क्या करता है? प्रोटोनेशन करता है. दिस स्टेप इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोटोनेशन एक्चुअली. So this O minus attacks on this H plus ion and convert itself into this product that is the beta hydroxyaldehyde, जिसे हम कहते हैं aldol. So in a second step, that attack of carbanion takes place to convert this overall compound into an beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is an aldol. So this is called as an aldol addition product. ये रहती है second step. So we get a beta hydroxyaldehyde as a product. So this beta hydroxyaldehyde further reacted, or in presence of a heat, base or acid, dehydration takes place. Dehydration, D stands for removal, and hydration means water. So क्या रहता है? when we apply heat, अल्फा कार्बन एंड बीटा कार्बन, सो विल वी अप्लाई हीट, अल्फा कार्बन से हाइड्रोजन जाता है, ओके, एंड बीटा कार्बन से OH रिमूव होता है, कंबाइनली वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होता है, एंड वी गेट अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड अल्डिहाइड एज अ प्रोडक्ट. So this step is called as a formation of aldol condensation product, or generally we say that this is a dehydration product. So this is overall called as a mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. So बहुत ही simple mechanism है. So in a first step we get carbanion as a product. Okay, this carbanion act as a nucleophile which attacks on the second mole of an aldehyde. So first में aldehyde का conversion होता है carbanion में. So in a first step we get carbanion from first mole of an aldehyde. So this carbanion again resonance is stabilized by enolate ion. This carbanion act as a nucleophile, attacks on the second mole. जो second mole पे attack करता है, we get aldol addition product by combining these two aldehyde moles. Okay, so oxygen and मिलता है, which on protonation gives beta hydroxy aldehyde. Generally we call that compound as an aldol. So this aldol then undergoes elimination reaction, that is the dehydration reaction, that is the removal of water molecule by applying heat. So we get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde as a product. So this is called as aldol condensation reaction. So what are the simple tricks to write down a product of an aldol condensation reaction? तो चलिए last part पढ़ते हैं, short tricks. So if we take 2 moles of an ketone, suppose we take acetone plus second mole of an acetone, and these two reacts together in presence of an NaOH base. So how can we write a product of this reaction? So बहुत ही simple है, just eliminate 2 hydrogen atoms from this CH3 group. अगर हम eliminate करेंगे तो यहाँ रह जाएगा CH, and eliminate oxygen atom from this another ketone. So we get CH3, यहाँ रह गया C, ऑक्सीजन एटम एलिमिनेट हुआ, सो डबल बॉन्ड आ जाएगा इधर, एंड दिस कार्बन अगेन कंटेन दिस CH3 ग्रुप, यहाँ आ जाएगा सेकेंड मोल का CH, बिकॉज 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन एटम. सो वी गेट this type of a product. So this is formed by ketone, so it is alpha beta unsaturated ketone, also called as enone. Why it is called as an enone? In means double bond and ONE means it is in a ketone, so it is an enone, but the reaction is same, that is aldol condensation reaction. अगर हम सेकेंड एग्जांपल लेंगे, चलिए अब अल्डिहाइड, कोई भी अल्डिहाइड लेते हैं, सेम एग्जांपल लेते हैं, एसिटल्डिहाइड CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O एंड H प्लस CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O एंड H. सो इसका अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन प्रोडक्ट हम कैसे निकालेंगे, जो ऊपर हमने लिखा है. सो रिमूव 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन एटम, सो यहाँ रह जाएगा CH, इलिमिनेट दिस ऑक्सीजन एटम, सो बाय रिमूवल ऑफ एन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, यहाँ भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, सो प्रोडक्ट क्या आ जाएगा, दैट इज द CH3, यहां रह गया ये CH, इधर रह गया ये डबल बॉन्ड, देन दिस डबल बॉन्ड इज लिंक्ड टू नेक्स्ट ग्रुप, बिकॉज यहां से 2 हाइड्रोजन गए, सो इट बिकम्स CH, ओके, एंड देन C डबल बॉन्ड O और H. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अल्फा बीटा unsaturated aldehyde. So these are the simple tricks to find out the product of aldol condensation reaction. Just eliminate 2 hydrogen atoms from one of the aldehyde or ketone and eliminate oxygen atom from another one, and we get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone as a product. So this is all about the aldol condensation reaction and its mechanism. Thank you.